Hi, I'm Richard Carter, Microsoft Student Partner for North Carolina State University in Raleigh, North Carolina, and I'm here to bring you 7 Windows 7 tricks, especially for Internet Explorer 8. Now, first of all, keyboard shortcuts. Alt-D selects the address bar. If you were to type Bing, hit Control-Enter, that brings you to www.whatevertypes.com. Control-E highlights the search bar, so then, for example, you can search for, let's say, George Washington. Control-T opens a new tab, like so. Takes a moment on my EPC. Control-Tab switches between tabs, and Control F4 closes your current tab. Now, another cool feature is InPrivate. Control-Shift-P opens a new InPrivate window, and with this window, anything you browse in here won't be saved, can't be traced later. So your history, your temporary internet files, cookies, none of that will be saved as soon as you close it, like so. Now, let's say we find this cool snippet of text about George Washington and we highlight it. This little blue button pops up. This is Accelerators. So we have this list of accelerators here, things I can do with this text. For instance, I can blog with it, I can email it, I can map it if it's an address. You can find more accelerators by clicking the Find More Accelerators link right there. There's another really cool feature as well. Also, by the way, accelerators work on any page. If I were to search for weather in 27606, which is my zip code, I can see that it's raining right now. This green button's right here. This is a web slice. If I add that to my favorites bar, and I'll have to give it just a moment to recognize it, essentially it's a little drop-down snippet of a website that updates all the time. So here we go, it just updated, and I can see now my weather simply by clicking the button in my toolbar from anywhere. Another feature is the Compatibility View. On websites which may be incompatible with IE8, it'll have a little button right where my mouse is right here, and it looks like a broken page, and you click it and it'll load. Now, you can actually go into the page menu and see that it's grayed out because obviously Bing is compatible with IE8, but Compatibility View settings can change that if you find a broken page that does not have the button. Suggested sites is another cool feature. Right here, if you click Suggested Sites, it'll find other sites similar to the one you're currently at, so other search engines such as Ask Google, Wikipedia, and so on. Finally, if we come over here and add a new search provider like so, we find more search providers, and we add the Wikipedia visual search, and I'm going to make it my default for the purposes of this presentation. Then now, as I'm searching here, let's say again George Washington. This is called Visual Search Suggestions, and you can see images of each of the articles so that you can choose maybe the best one. Maybe I want to know more about the university and not the man himself. You click that and you're brought right to the Wikipedia page. Well, thank you for watching my Windows 7 tips and tricks video, and don't forget to visit the Microsoft student site at microsoft.com/student.